morning. This is Keisha here at tradewithresolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. I am currently looking at SPY this morning. We had a gap up, which means the price of the stock opened at a higher price than it closed the previous day. I do believe that the price of SPY is going to decline, so I am looking to purchase puts here. I am now in the trade. I bought 3 contracts at 180. So I just took a small position size here, but let's see if the price of SPY can continue lower. I now have 1 contract left and I'm just about to sell it here. So I am all out of the trade for $139, which equated to a 25% gain. So not too bad for a 30-minute trade. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're interested in getting involved in the stock market, I do offer affordable courses to teach you the strategies that I use to pull profits from the stock market. Feel free to check us out at tradewithresolve.com. All memberships include free lifetime access to the chat room. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.